Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online community with Mighty Networks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your purpose for creating an online community. Identify the specific niche or interest you want to focus on. Consider the demographics of your target audience. Visit the Mighty Networks website and create an account. Choose a memorable name for your community. Select a unique URL that represents your brand. Customize your community's appearance by adding a logo and banner. Create a welcoming description that outlines what members can expect. Explore the different features offered by Mighty Networks. Decide whether you want to offer free or paid memberships. Set clear guidelines and rules for community behavior. Create categories and topics to organize discussions effectively. Encourage member introductions to foster a sense of belonging. Post regular content to keep the community engaged. Host events, webinars, or live Q&A sessions to increase interaction. Utilize surveys and polls to gather feedback from members. Promote your community on social media and other platforms. Engage with your community members by responding to their questions. Monitor discussions to ensure a positive and respectful environment. Foster relationships by acknowledging active members. Continuously update your content and community features based on feedback. Celebrate milestones and achievements to maintain enthusiasm. Regularly evaluate your community's growth and engagement. Be patient, as building a vibrant online community takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.